Even though Okulola Ekugo how many times? Now the numbers of people now kidney problem and Igbo too much. What is the problem? Only phenomenon and Igbo since many years now. The numbers of the people now kidney problem and Igbo. Obena tribe ni no one in Nigeria. Igbo number one. Found where the higher number of the people now kidney problem. So people are not educated but as in Igbo kidney problem. Kedi here cause of distance. Now let me tell you number one thing cause here, and I am bundi bujaka yebu nwanya. Now in this video now, and we hear na video. Aba abebo na produce mmanya, fake mmanya, ma Hennessy all
their product and the one that is manufactured here. Manufactured under a very bad environment, poor GMP, using banned chemicals, colorings. With the raw materials we saw the other time. All they do is just get a rubber, a mixer. So then use just this normal sieve, just sieve and put into bottles for people to drink. But my fear is that this is Yuletide period. A lot of people who have bought drinks in the house. You don't even know where the source of the drinks you have bought. We've had a high level of increase in renal failure, kidney failure, and all of that. And some of them are major result of these poisonous things that people are taking.
Look into it. You will see many drinks, fake drinks. How many manufacturer they produce? This particular one now, Bona Abia State, and don't wake up one under Gaba for many years. And do you know the numbers of people who are the higher number of people who are Bundibo? And all those people who are if you think money are going to minimum alpha. Echinine, I know Nandi Lani, Nati Lani, Sina, beans, my lies. Manai Wajakanye Buwana. Look at it. Ndan will lick up on a hand of many years na this particular market. Now manufacture fake drink. And the numbers of the people na ngumanya, the higher numbers of people na ngumanya bundibu. Kedi hi na eche mwanya gana emena their system. Kedi hi na eche mwanya gana emena their system. Na lofa. Ona adam ejife their system, their body. Obena na Nigeria, all the tribes ni na in Nigeria, the highest of the most people now manufacture all this fake drink and the fake drug bundibu. And how what chaya? I want to be able to know another major system. I am not can there be any man? What Echini I am not can if any man creating problem. What is happening in Igbo land? We are the cause of our problem. We are the cause of our problem. Moyanina Hane produce fake drink. Can't Anguya Nkahane Manaba. I come to I won't do Bananguya Nkahane Manambra State. Can't Anguya. So is the right time right now for you Bonibo to produce fake drink and fake drug. What you need to do, go and report these people because immature more can money.